Alright, so before you hit the trail, there are a few critical things you should check on your rig to make sure you get out there and back without issues. Off-roading can be tough on your vehicle, but most problems can be avoided with a quick pre-trip inspection. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 things you should check before every off-road trip. So the first thing is going to be your tires. Your tires are the only thing between your rig and the trail. So they're the first thing you need to look at. So you want to check for any damage. That would be cracks, cuts, bulges in the sidewall. Make sure your tread depth is good enough for the terrain you're heading into. A bald tire on the street is bad, but on a rocky trail or in the mud, it can mean getting stuck real fast. Also, you want to check your air pressure. Make sure you're starting at the right street PSI before you air down on the trail. And don't forget your spare. Make sure it's in good shape and properly inflated too. A lot of people will look over their spare tire. The next thing we're going to check is the fluids. Before you put stress on your vehicle, make sure your vital fluids are topped off. That would be your engine oil, your coolant, your transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and you want to also look under your rig for any leaks. Even a small drip in the driveway can become a big problem on the trail, especially if you're hours away from help. A quick fluid check takes about 5 minutes, but it can save you from overheating, losing your brakes, or getting stranded. The third thing we're going to check is suspension and steering components. Off-roading puts a lot of stress on these parts, so check them before you go. Look at your control arms, your tie rods, your ball joints, and your shocks. Make sure there's nothing loose, leaking, or showing signs of excessive wear. A worn-out suspension component might not be noticeable on the street, but on the trail it could cause poor handling or even a breakdown. Give everything a shake and a look before you head out. The fourth thing we're going to be talking about is your recovery gear and your tools. It doesn't matter how built your rig is, you're eventually going to get stuck. At a minimum, you should carry a quality recovery strap or rope, a couple of rated shackles and soft shackles, a jack that works off-road, and a tire repair kit. It's also a good idea to carry a basic toolkit. Even if you're not a mechanic, having the right tools means you or someone with you can fix small issues on the trail. And remember, recovery gear doesn't help if you don't know how to use it. So take a few minutes before your trip to make sure it's organized and ready. The last thing we're going to be talking about is safety and communication. This is something people overlook, but it's one of the most important parts of an off-road trip. Make sure you have a reliable way to communicate. Cell service is usually spotty at best in remote areas, so consider a GMRS or ham radio, satellite messengers, or another great backup option. Alright guys, so there you have it, the 5 things you should check before going on every off-road trip. Tires and pressure, fluid and leaks, suspension and steering, recovery gear and tools, and safety and communication. Doing these checks doesn't take long, but it can save you from a ruined trip or worse, a dangerous situation. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our gear at YotaXpedition.com. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and drop a comment on what you always double check before you hit the trail. We'll see you guys in the next one.